Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 8, factors and multiples. Now exercise 8C. In this exercise, question number 2, find the LCM of the following sets of numbers using division method. In that H, 12, 15, 18, 21. You need to find the LCM using division method. Okay, so you can divide and you will get 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. I gave you the answer 3780, but it is on multiplying you will get 1260. Okay, so make it correct. The LCM it is 1260. On multiplying you will get this. Okay, now let's discuss homework answers. So fourth question, complete the following table. In that 27 and 36. So product you will get 27 into 36, 972. HCF you will get it 9 and LCM you will get 108. Okay, so product of LCM and HCF you will get 9 into 108 or 972. Next 24 and 32. Product you will get 768. Now HCF you will get 8 and LCM you will get 96. So product of HCF and LCM you will get 8 into 96, 768. Next 35 and 42. Product you will get 1470. Then HCF it is 7 and LCM it is 210. So product of LCM and HCF you will get 7 into 210, 1470. Seventh question. What is the greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 9 and 21? So here you can see exactly divisible. This means LCM you need to find. Okay. Now what is the greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 9 and 21? So here you need to find the LCM of 9 and 21 first. Okay, so find the LCM of 9 and 21. 9 and 21 you can divide it by 3. So 9 divided by 3 it is 3. 21 divided by 3 it is 7. Now 3 you can divide it by 3 only. So 3 divided by 3 it is 1. 7 you can't divide by 3. So write 7 itself. Okay, now 7 you can divide by 7 only. So 7 divided by 7 you will get 1. Okay, so here LCM will be 3 into 3 into 7, that is 63. Now greatest 3-digit number, which is that you know it, 999. This is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, in the next step you need to divide this greatest 3-digit number, that is 999, by the LCM of 9 and 21, that is 63. Okay, divide 999 by 63. Divide greatest 3-digit number by the LCM of 9 and 21. So what you will get? 999 divided by 63. 63 into 1, 63. 6. 369. 63 into 5. 315. You will get 54 remainder. Okay. So on dividing 999 by 63, you got the remainder 54. That means 999 is not divisible by 63. Since 999 is not divisible by 63, the next step is subtract the remainder from 999. That is, subtract 54 from 999. So you will get 999 minus 54, 945. And this is the required answer. You can write the conclusion. The greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 9 and 21 equal to 945. 8th question. Find the greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by 12, 32 and 48. So here also exactly divisible it is given. So you need to find the LCM of 12, 32 and 48. Okay. So 12, 32 and 48, it is divisible by 2. So you can divide all these by 2. 12 divided by 2, it is 6. 32 divided by 2, 16. 48 divided by 2, 24. Now again, 6, 16, 24, all these are divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2, it is 3. 16 divided by 2, 8. 24 divided by 2, 12. Now 3 you can divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3 it is 1. 8 you can't divide it by 3. So write 8 itself. 12 divided by 3 it is 4. Now 8 and 4 it is divisible by 2. So 1. 8 divided by 2 it is 4. 4 divided by 2 it is 2. Now 2 and 4 it is divisible by 2. So 1, 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Now 2 you can divide by 2 only. So 1, 2 divided by 2, 1. Again 1 you got. So you can stop here. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 2 48, 48 into 2 96. So LCM of 12, 32 and 48 you got 96. Here you need to find the greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by 12, 32 and 48. So next you need to write the greatest 4-digit number. You know 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Next, third step is divide this greatest 4-digit number by the LCM of 12, 32 and 48. Okay, so dividing 9999 by 96. You will get 96 into 196, 3, 9. 39. This is less than 39 is less than 96. So write 0 here. Then write down the next number. Now 96 into 4. You will get 384. On subtracting you will get 15. So the remainder you got 15. That means 9999 is not divisible by 96. So we need the greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 12, 32 and 48. So last step you need to subtract this remainder from 9999. That is greatest 4-digit number. So subtracting you will get 9999 minus 15. That is 9984. This is the greatest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 12, 32 and 48. Ninth question. Find the smallest number which when divided by 12, 16 and 20 leaves no remainder. So here you need to find the smallest number which when divided by 12, 16 and 20 leaves no remainder. That means exactly divisible by 12, 16 and 20. Find the number which is exactly divisible by 12, 16 and 20. That means LCM you need to find. Okay. LCM of 12, 16 and 20 you can find by common division method. So 12, 16, 20. All these numbers are divisible by 2. So you can divide all these by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 16 divided by 2, 8. 20 divided by 2, 10. 6, 8, 10 are divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2, 3. 8 divided by 2, 4. 10 divided by 2, 5. Next, 3, 4, 5. You can't find a number with which you can divide all these three numbers. So first you can divide 3. 3 you can divide it by 3 only. So 3 divided by 3, 1. Write down 4 and 5 as it is. Because 4 you can't divide it by 3 and 5 also you can't divide it by 3. Next 4. You can divide 4 by 2. So 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. 5. You can't divide it by 2. So write down 5 as it is. Next 2. You can divide it by 2 only. So 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. 5. You can't divide it by 2. So write down 5. Now 5 you can divide by 5. So 1, 1, 5 divided by 5, 1. So you got all the numbers 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. You will get 240. This is the LCM of 12, 16 and 20, or this is the smallest number. 240 is the smallest number which when divided by 12, 16 and 20 leaves no remainder. 10th question. Rohit distributes toffees to his friends on his birthday. If he gives 5, 10 and 12 to each, he is left with no toffees. What is the least number of toffees he should buy? So, question എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? രോഹിത് ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന് ടോഫീസ് കൊടുക്കുവാണ് ബർത്ത്ഡേക്ക്. സോ 5, 10 and 12. ഒരാൾക്ക് 5ഓ 10ഓ 12ഓ ടോഫീസ് വെച്ച് കൊടുക്കുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അയാളുടെ കയ്യിൽ ബാക്കി ഒരു ടോഫീസും കാണില്ല. ഹീ ഈസ് ലെഫ്റ്റ് വിത്ത് നോ ടോഫീസ്. സോ ലീസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ലീസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ടോഫീസ് ഹീ ഷുഡ് ബൈ? അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് അയാൾ എത്ര ടോഫീസാണ് അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ബൈ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? Okay. So here the word least, from that you can understand it is the LCM, least common multiple. Okay. LCM of 5, 10 and 12. You need to find this. So the least number of toffees he should buy equal to LCM of 5, 10 and 12. Okay, so you can find the 5 and 10. This is divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 you will get 1. 10 divided by 5 it is 2. Now 12 you can't divide it by 5, so write 12 itself. Now 2 and 12 it is divisible by 2. So 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. 12 divided by 2 it is 6. Now in place of 6 you need to bring 1. You need to make this 6 1. So 6 it is divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2, it is 3. Don't divide 6 by 6 because 6 is a composite number. While doing prime factorization, use only prime numbers. 6 is not a prime number. Okay. So 3 you got. Now 3 you can divide it by 3 only. So 3 divided by 3, it is 1. So the LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 6, 60 you will get. So 60, at least 60 toffees he should buy. Okay. So this chapter is over. This much for this class. Thank you.